On top of the bridge, so if you look down, we're looking at the Montego River flowing under this bridge, and we are way up. To me, this looks more than 30 meters up. Tell me, how are we connecting the various elements of the bridge? I see a lot of steel work going on here.
Well, these particular steelwork is to hold the frame together, hold that T-beam, this T-beam, and so forth go across. So they're going to put some more of these.
Those members straight across.
1, 2, 3, 4, top and bottom, straight across for all of them to hold the concrete when it's ready for cast.
Good. So when this is done, right? So this will be cast.
Yes, all of them would be
Cast.
cement in it.
It will be cast.
Yes.
And then on top of that, there will be another slab.
Not a cement again when you raise up these and then run more steel
On it. And then on top of that will be the asphalt.
Asphalt, yes, correct.
And in these sections are the cables that are connected together, tensioned together.
In the T-beam.
In the T-beams to give it a little bit more flexibility.
Yes, so when the load reaches the bridge, it doesn't crack.
It flexes.
Yes.
Right. So there's a lot of engineering that goes into this bridge, and it's a little bit more complicated because I gather you have a 1% slope.
Yes, it does.
Interesting. So help me to understand now. This bridge will span, I gather, 180 meters when it is finished. And it will be what? 4 lanes? 2 on each? 2 lanes going in either direction. Will it have a Jersey barrier?
Yes, it will.
Okay. So you wouldn't even, you'll be driving and not even realize that you have transitioned onto the bridge.
No, you will not.
It will just be like
Smooth,
yes. Normal. So tell me, have you learned anything new doing this construction? I mean, obviously you have some...
Well, yes, I've learned a lot of things new. I mean, particularly the steel that goes through the beam to keep the flexibility. Mm-hmm. Yes, I've learned that amongst other things.
How do the new workers who come on, how do they like this work? How do they feel about it? Is it something that's exciting to them that they are building this massive structure?
Yes, it is very exciting to them. They actually like it. You know, they come and they learn how to new things because it's not every day you come and you build this mega structure. You know, so yes, they come and them like it. You know.
Thanks for explaining all of this
problem,
to me.
Mr.
All right.
Prime Minister.
Very good.